This is Xiaomi 14 and today I'll show how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. So to begin, take your Xiaomi 14 out of its case if it is in phone case. Then look at the bottom part of its frame, find the SIM card tray. Here it is, that's what it looks like. Then you gotta take some kind of injection tool. In my case, that is an injection tool, but you can use needle or unfolded paperclip, anything basically that will be small enough to be, inputted into this small hole. Then align your injection tool with this hole and then push it in. If you'll do that, you'll see that the SIM card tray pops right out, so take it out. Now over here we have two slots for two SIM cards. So take the SIM card you would like to install and then align it with its respective slot, whatever slot you would like to put it in. So I'll put this SIM into the SIM1 slot and now simply return the tray or the carrette back inside the phone. Make sure that this hole on the SIM card tray is aligned with this hole here, of course. And well, that will be more or less it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.